What's up, YouTube? Are you trying to get your Dodge to look like from that to this? Some of you may be wondering how I got my bed line so straight. Yep, there's a piece of wood in there holding up. Yep, all better. You know, it looks a little ghetto. That fit fucking perfectly though. Like, it went up and it was stuck like up here, and I went ooh, and it slid right to here. I was gonna put a wood screw through the back, but oh man, this side's perfect too. No shit. Well, that's how I fixed my sinking bed. If this video helped you out, guys, make sure you subscribe, comment, like. Really helps me out. I'm a small YouTuber, almost at 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit 1,000, I need 4,000 watch hours, and I'll be getting YouTube partnership, which means I'll be making money. So please subscribe, and I appreciate that. Thank you.